Hey guys, how are you doing? Recently, some WhatsApp users have started noticing that their links, texts, and some system related functions have turned into green. This is my iPhone 15 Plus where I have installed regular version of WhatsApp and it is not business WhatsApp version. And on the right side, this is my iPhone 12 which has regular version of WhatsApp and again, it is not the business version of WhatsApp. So both are, kind of in a different version. The iPhone 12 has not yet updated to the latest version, but after updating it around last month, I noticed that the links and the text functions, some of the icons have turned into green. But the same version running iPhone 15 Plus was not turned into green. And when I refreshed the App Store, while making this video, and just wanted to make sure whether this feature is kind of changing all the UI colors into green instead of the blue link and blue functions is kind of started to roll out to limited number of devices, and I had to update and check. Here the latest version of WhatsApp 2.23.23.79 is installed in my iPhone 15 Plus, and the links and text everything are in blue color. After updating the WhatsApp on iPhone 12 to the latest version, which is, it was 2 versions earlier, and right now I have updated it to the 7.9, and I can see that it is rolled back to the same blue color text version. This may not be the same case for you. You may still be seeing the green color, which I think could be some sort of bug that WhatsApp is maybe testing this green color feature for UI related change in upcoming version. And I thought initially it could be only for WhatsApp business version, but in my iPhone 12, even for the regular version, I noticed the same. Some users did experience similar thing on their WhatsApp business or WhatsApp regular version, that entire links and text everything turned into green. So don't worry, this is not going to be permanent is what I understood. Just I wanted to show it in live to you through this video, that after updating to the latest version, which was 7.7 earlier, .77 earlier, just I'm mentioning the last 2 digits, and it was green color across the WhatsApp, the links and icons, and now it's changed to blue color. You can also see that even though both are same versions, that I'm having different UI with the WhatsApp in iPhone 15 Plus, and for the iPhone 12, you can see that it is still maintaining the old UI version on the settings page. On the left side, you can see the settings have icon renamed to U tab, which shows my display picture, and at the top I can see the display picture, and on the right side it is still the same UI, and the functions also changed. Like on the left side on 15 Plus, you can see the privacy, profile and contacts. I've given a big banner icons at the top next to my profile picture, and the same toggles options settings are available at the right side on iPhone 12 in the previous settings. So if you're also experiencing the same, I hope you got a clarity why it is happening to your WhatsApp. Give some time, and in upcoming updates you will definitely see some change. And if WhatsApp wants to roll out this feature permanently to all our devices, then we will be seeing it in upcoming WhatsApp update. Thank you for watching. For more iPhone related useful information, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.